In this video, we're going to prepare a powerful natural liquid booster for your plants using a simple fermentation method that you can easily do at home. This homemade solution strengthens roots, promotes lush green leaves, enhances flowering and fruiting, and nourishes beneficial soil microbes for long-term plant health. Let's begin. First, take the peels from 6 to 8 bananas and place them in a blender. Add only a small amount of water, just enough to help the blades rotate smoothly. Blend until you get a thick, smooth paste. Avoid adding too much water. A thick slurry is ideal because it ferments better and keeps the nutrients more concentrated. Once the paste is ready, take 2 non-metal containers such as plastic jars or buckets. Pour a little water into each container, then divide the banana paste equally between them. Stir well so the paste mixes evenly and no large lumps remain. Proper mixing helps start the fermentation process and ensures the material breaks down efficiently over time. Now we'll prepare 2 different versions of the mixture. In the first container, add some unpasteurized milk and mix thoroughly until everything is evenly combined. In the second container, prepare brown sugar water by dissolving brown sugar in a small amount of water. Once fully dissolved, pour it into the container and stir well. Both mixtures will ferment in slightly different ways, producing nutrient-rich liquids that benefit your plants. After mixing, cover each container with a cloth instead of sealing it with a tight lid. This step is important. The cloth allows gases produced during fermentation to escape while keeping insects out. Secure the cloth with a rubber band or string. Place the containers in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight, as excessive heat can spoil the mixture. Now it's time to wait. Let the mixtures ferment for a few weeks. The longer they sit, the more thoroughly the organic material breaks down, creating a richer liquid. During fermentation, natural microbes will release nutrients in a form that plants can easily absorb. You may notice bubbling in the early days and a change in smell. This is completely normal. After about 3 weeks, you'll observe a noticeable change in color and texture. The mixture will appear darker and more liquid, indicating that fermentation is complete and your natural plant booster is ready. To use it, pour some of the fermented liquid into a bucket and dilute it with water. Dilution is essential because the concentrate is strong and needs to be gentler for plant roots. Once properly diluted, use it to water your plants as usual, applying it around the base so it reaches the root zone directly. Over time, you'll see healthier growth, greener leaves, stronger stems, and improved flowering and fruiting. This happens because you're not only feeding the plant, but also enriching the soil with beneficial microbes and organic nutrients. You can store the second container in a shaded place and use it later. Just dilute it the same way before applying. This ensures you always have a ready supply of natural plant nutrition without spending extra money. This method is simple, affordable, and highly effective. Perfect for container gardens, small backyard setups, or balcony plants. With a little patience and basic kitchen waste, you can create a powerful, natural liquid boost that keeps your plants healthy and productive.